Quizlet is a website that allows us to work on vocabulary development. Today we are going to work on the vocabulary that we've been learning in transformations. To do this, first thing I want you to do is go ahead and quickly look through these flashcards. You can do this by clicking through and just seeing the names of the flashcards and the items that are on the front. I would like you to go ahead and scroll down here and you can see what they say. Pre-image, and then read it, is the original figure in the transformation. The image is the figure that results from the transformation. You can go ahead and you can mark these up for different things. You can hear
image, the figure that results from a transformation. Image.
You can also you can look at all these terms and you'll be going through them. When you go through this, what I want you to do is go ahead and hit Learn. Going through Learn will allow you to go ahead and work through the different activities to try and figure out what they are, whether it's a multiple choice question or something else. You'll end up going through these 15 times to be able to catch on. So a transformation that flips a figure over a mirror or reflected line, we know is a reflection. And a little smiley face will show up. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the new rotated image, x to y or negative y to negative x. This is something that we haven't really seen yet, but it is something that will be a nice little tool to be able to use. In this case, 90-degree rotation would be the only thing that would work for us. Oh, darn. It didn't quite work right. So what we want to recognize from this is what do we mean by 180-degree rotation. That would be something for us to go back and check the flashcard with that one. You'll continue to do this until you get through all of the all of those cards. Another activity that's on Quizlet that can be kind of fun is to play the match game, where you have a timed value, and this is a competition, so you can do it the first. You have all the pieces right here. So we're talking about rotation. We try and match them together and we see if that's going to work. Darn, none of those ones work, so it would help if we actually read it. Clockwise, that one's a pretty easy one. Counterclockwise, that one's also a pretty easy one. A transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point at a given angle and given direction. That sounds like rotation to me. 90-degree rotation, counterclockwise. That one looks like it right there, and we can match them up together. Transformation that flips a figure over a mirror as a reflection, and finally reflection across the y-axis. It'll say congratulations, and it'll put your name up here, and you can play it again and again as long as you want to get it as fast as time as you want. Go ahead and play that, and then a few times, try and get the best time. One more thing I'd like you to go ahead and try is gravity is another way to do this. You can also test yourself. You can write them out. Spend some time going through this and keep learning these pieces. Some of the things that you'll find is there'll be some stats that you're given down here at the bottom about if you're understanding what those pieces are, where you made mistakes on trying to connect them, and then things that you should be studying. So Quizlet, this will be a review or time for you to review and get to know different vocabulary. And best of luck to you.